Hi there, my name is Juvale Maifo. I'm in Canada, living in Toronto area. So I'm just making this video because I would like to share my experience with you since I knew CyberiumX. So I knew this center last year where I got my CEH training for 3 months, and then after getting my certification, I just moved forward for EGPT and OSCP training, and I'm ready for the EGPT certification, but I will test it maybe next month. And the best thing that I would like to share with you with the CyberiumX is, with the CyberiumX you have access to virtual lab where you can practice your network scanning to vulnerability analysis and even the penetration testing. So I can just try to let the CyberiumX is the best company where you can, if you want to move to the cybersecurity field. Thank you very much. Bye bye.